What's up, fashionistas? This is gonna be a super mini vlog. It's the preparation of a fashion show. All I did to get done and prep for the show. I did not have my camera then, so the video footage isn't the best, but I hope you guys still enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching.
So high, I'm hypnotized.
So right now I'm packing everything for the show. Today is currently Wednesday and the show is Friday, so I'm getting a hotel for me and the kids, so I have to prep everything now so I can be in Tampa by the show day. This stand right here I'm going to display at the show. That's my logo. These are all my pieces. These all will be up for sale. My tags. My son's up there. And these bags that I'm gonna put all the clothes in, and then that box down there has like the rug, and then my bags that will be for the shopping bags and stuff. So yeah, and then I'll bring my tripod, and I might bring my light with me. I'm not sure, but yeah, so I'm gonna pack all this stuff now.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
So hey guys, I'm on my way right now to get my hair done. I am so stressed. I'm trying to undo my hair while I'm driving. My car is packed for the fashion show, and it's been a crazy morning, but hopefully it'll get better. I just finished taking out my hair. The kids are asleep. So what's up, you guys? I'm getting ready for the fashion show, and I got my hair done yesterday, my eyebrows done this week, and as you can see, like, my hair already, it's poofing up. I already set up everything at the venue. My lips are always so ashy, I'm sorry. What's up? So I guess this is how my hair is gonna look. I'm about to get dressed and then head over to the venue. I'll see you guys there. I didn't even get to videotape me setting up my table and everything like that, but I'm trying my best, and I'll recap you guys afterwards. But right now I am about to put on my dress right there and get dressed and go.